Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer, it's very simple and very glorious logo letter design. So this is very simple as you can see and I just told before. So no matter tag, just I will start. Let's begin today. So first of all, what do I need to do? I need to just to select all the things and a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side. This counter it's will be more better to see and to follow. So what we need today, I need just to go the other side, this board, and I need just ellipse tool. So ellipse tool, you know, guys, ellipse tool is very important too. Just I look at a little bit bigger there, and I needed just to copy close color and go to the like that this color thing, and I need a little bit bigger. I think it's good. Then it's okay. So again, I need to go to the ellipse tool and just to go to the ellipse tool again. I need to the center, yeah, and I just did. I think it's good, but I need it now. Of course, this color, otherwise it will not better. I think it's okay. So it's good. I think I need to go to the over here just to click that. Go just straight to line segment 2 and just drag like that by pressing shift key. I think it's okay. So I need to now just put, oh my god, happening. I just do P, it's okay, but I need little bit smaller over here, wait, like that. Yes, okay, but I need to now confirm by pressing my key, and I need now put the center like that. Yes, it's okay. Again, go to the Y, it's okay. So what we need to do, I just to select all the things and go over to the object and go expand all the things. Okay. Then I need to just select, go to the ability tool, and I hit delete unnecessary things. So I need to now just copy by pressing that. I need to put this one to the center. Okay. And I need to now just to again copy and put over here. It's like that. I put it over here, and I need to just select all the things and go Shibuya to and cut by pressing all the key, cut, cut, and I think cut all the things. You see exactly what I wanted. Okay, so ungroup all the things. So I need to now just change the color over here, change the color, and I think color, and I think it's this color. You see exactly what I wanted. It's very simple and very colorful, modernized design. So I delete the previous one and I keeping this one. So I think it's done all by magic. This is art, so you can like, share, and comment and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you.